Hey Julia, come on in.
Wow, first time in a truck.
Are you aware of any challenges a truck driver faces when on the road?
No, not really. Well, the same as any driver, I guess.
Okay, Sam, can you see anyone in your mirrors?
No, I can't.
No, I can't see anyone.
Can you see anyone in front of the truck?
No, I can't see anyone.
So you're feeling confident you would be all clear for driving?
I would hope so, yes.
Yep, good to go.
Okay, let's take a walk.
Oh, no way.
Alison, can you stand up and have a look in front of the truck, please?
Sure. Oh, wow.
So Sam, this is Alex. He was on the motorcycle next to you the whole time.
That is insane.
I was 100% sure that there was no one there. I would not have seen them had I not stood up.
I checked my mirrors and there was no one.
They were there. They were in your blind spot, but they were definitely there.
There's no way I saw that.
What will you take away from this experience?
I'm going to be much more aware of trucks on the road as I'm walking around.
I'm going to be more careful around trucks, that's for sure.
I mean, this whole experience has just been a real eye-opener.